did it and did it, did it, did it. You did it and did it, did it, did. You did it and did it, did it, did it. Is it cold? Oh, it's not bad. Yeah? Well, it's getting colder as we get deeper. Holy mother. You're not what?
I'm not going that way.
Well, where are you gonna go? You wanna go this way?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, you're gonna go in the tube, huh?
It's getting crazy.
Yeah, a little bit.
Sandy's out of the shade again.
She's in the sun, not in the shade.
Oh.
There's a difference. There's a difference.
Daddy.
Yes, Piper.
Mommy's still getting ready.
Mommy's what?
Mommy's still getting ready.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
I was gonna fall waterward again. I'm not going that far without Daddy.
Yeah?
Wow. Wow. I'm going backwards.
You are. Alright, kind of curious how this is going to do underwater. Should we find out?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going under.
I don't want.
Yeah, it's not going to hurt it.
Is it waterproof?
Yes, this one is.
Oh, good. Not the other one.
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Woo. Daddy, watch the wall.
It ain't going to hurt nobody.
It is funny.
It is? Oh, don't lick it. You'll smudge it.
I'm tired. You go under. I'm gonna go get my goggles.
You gonna go get your goggles?
I have to go underwater. Woo. No.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Almost.
Okay.
Almost.
What?
You gotta get the top of your head wet, silly.
Oh.
Oh.
1. Now I have to get away from the rope.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, good girl. You're doing good.
Owie.
Alright, so we're gonna put this on.
Yeah.
Alright, Sunday. Everyone's starting to go home. I decided to take Piper for a swim for a bit, and yeah, we're gonna head back later this evening and try to get back to the normal city life, I guess. So, oh, here comes Piper. You having fun? Push me into the ropes. Yeah?
Oh my.
I am. Can I spin you around? Alright, are you ready? Start the spinning process. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Now let go and just let you slide.
Daddy, you. I'm gonna die.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna shut the camera off, I think.
I'm gonna go put it away.
Oh, I will too. I'm gonna go get something anyway.
Okay.